It's cold outside. It's hot chocolate season. Are you ready? Here goes. You ready? Dove está the heavy cream. You have a delicious hot chocolate. Hola, busy familia. And today, guess what? It's cold outside. It's hot chocolate season. Now, you guys have seen these hot chocolate bombs everywhere, I'm sure. I have seen them everywhere. I decided I need to make my own hot chocolate powder so that I can make keto hot chocolate bombs. Because you know what? I should be able to enjoy the fun too, right? So, if you want to see a video of making keto hot chocolate bombs, I will have that video coming out shortly. It might even be linked below by the time you see this. However, let's make some hot chocolate mix that we can use whenever with our favorite almond milk or water, but I prefer almond milk. Are you ready? This is what you're gonna need. Cocoa powder, so 100% cocoa powder with no sweetener. Then you need your favorite 0-calorie sweeteners. I like to mix these two together. I think they add a good flavor and not a lot of aftertaste. So they're very good for me. This is what I like. But you can change it up. Again, like I've said many times, my recipes are very fluid. Add whatever you want. This is not exactly baking, so if you like it a little sweeter, you can add more sugar. If you like it a little more chocolatey, add more chocolate. I won't be mad at you. The only thing I will ask is you like, subscribe, and comment below, because that's what makes me very happy when you guys comment and tell me how you guys have used it. So here goes. You ready? We're gonna do 1/3 cup of the 0-calorie sugar. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of the confectioner's sugar. That wasn't a big one, I gotta do a big one. It's a little broken up. 2 tablespoons of that. And then 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Now you can double this recipe or triple this recipe if you want to have more on hand. This is all I really kind of want right now. I'm gonna mix it all together. It's looking so good. Just don't inhale the cocoa powder. I mean, you can if you want to, but I don't suggest it. All right, let me get all that out. Now, I am Latina, as a lot of you might know, Latinx, and I like cinnamon in my hot chocolate. That is literally my favorite thing. So if you don't like cinnamon, you can definitely omit this, but I'm gonna throw some cinnamon in mine because I love cinnamon in hot chocolate. It's so good. Seriously, that's it though. Like, that's all you have to do. Now, what you're gonna do with this is you're gonna mix it with about 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, vanilla unsweetened almond milk. You can add some heavy cream. I would add some heavy cream just to give a little more texture. So I'm gonna go ahead and make it right now, and I'll show you guys how I do it. Also, if you're worried about the recipe, you can find the recipe on my Instagram or on my website on busymommy.com. Shameless plug. Give me a second. Let me get a mug. Let me get ready. Of course, a fancy mug, because those of you that don't know me, for those of you that know me know that I collect these like Starbucks mugs, the ones from all over the world. But I don't know, I have so many mugs because I love them. So now I'm gonna heat up some unsweetened almond milk. It says do not microwave. This cup is not microwave safe. Let's do my B for Busy Mommy mug. I'm gonna take my unsweetened almond milk and I'm gonna pour about a cup. Probably less, I don't want that much. There you go. Then I'm gonna throw some heavy cream, about 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. Dove está the heavy cream. I legitimately don't know where the heavy cream is that I just had. All right, so a couple shots of that. Now I'm gonna microwave this. You can do this on your stove for sure. And if you wanna make it like bulletproof hot chocolate, you can throw some of your oils in here or some butter, it'll be good. All right. We'll microwave for about 1.5 minutes. I forgot to tell you to add a little salt. I always add salt to my everything, anything that's sweet, because I think it adds a nice little dimension to it. It smells so good. Again, if you want to make it a little less chocolatey, if you want to make it a little sweeter, feel free to add more sugar. You make yours your own, but this is how I like it. Okay, and we are heated up. Now, I think I talked about this when I did my keto pumpkin spice. This is my amazing, I like literally love it, use it every morning. It's my frother, it's a handheld frother. I'll link it below. Honestly, it's $15, super cheap, rechargeable, and super strong, and awesome for frothing things. So I'm gonna froth the milk a little bit with the heavy cream. Because who doesn't like a frothy hot chocolate, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so I've added the frother. Now I'm going to add my 2 spoonfuls of the hot chocolate mix. Like I said, less or more depending on how you like it. And then I'm gonna stir. This thing is very strong, so you gotta be careful. It literally smells like abuelita Mexican chocolate, and that makes me so happy. Then you want to get your sugar-free whipped cream, a dash of cinnamon at the top. You don't have to do this, but again, I'm extra. You have a delicious hot chocolate. It's just like memories. Warm, cozy hugs, as Olaf would say. Warm hugs, but in a mug. And keto. I've outdone myself. Because honestly, this is delicious. I might even fool my kids. Wow. I think you guys need to try this. It is so good. It's exactly what I'm gonna have on Christmas morning, because we typically will have hot chocolate. I lied, I'll probably have espresso first, but then I'll have hot chocolate. And now I won't feel bad about it. You know what would go good with this? My chocolate mug cake. I think having that with this would be like ultimate holiday joy. So, as I always say, thank you for joining me. Thank you for watching. And from my house to yours, happy holidays. We love you. Bye. Oh, wait. Yeah, did you subscribe yet? Because if you didn't, you should do that right now. Just like real quick. Help a sister out or a mommy out. Oh, I didn't do a dance for this one. Wait, what's the hot chocolate dance? Is it like the stirring? Or is it like the pump the jam? I'm not quite sure. How do you dance while keeping a mug straight and have it not fall? Maybe you gotta stay in the zone. It's one of those zone ones. Go make it.